In the last episode, we described the various file formats you can upload with PeopleTools. We emphasized the importance of SVG. In this episode, we want to show you a simple trick to help you transform the delivered SVG files. Now, an SVG file is just an XML file. In other words, it is just a plain text instruction set interpreted by a web browser. Since it is plain text, we can easily manipulate SVG images using a standard text editor. Since SVG is interpreted by a web browser, we can use our web browser's built-in development tools to manipulate and mock up SVG changes. So let's start by logging into PeopleSoft. On my home screen, I see several tiles with SVG icons. Let's start by opening one of these SVG icons in a new tab. Notice the path in my web browser's URL. The final segment of the path is the SVG file name. The part right before the suffix is the PeopleSoft App Designer image definition name. Let's make note of that now so we can update the image later. Now let's use the web browser's built-in development tools to modify this image. When we right-click a section of the image and choose Inspect from the context menu, the web browser locates the corresponding code in the Elements section. I want to change the color of these heads from International Orange to JSMpros Turquoise. So I just need to find a RGB hex color value for my character's head in the element panel. Now I can simply copy and paste the desired JSMpros Turquoise RGB color value in. Now I will change the other ones to match. After I have manipulated the image to my liking, I need to tell PeopleSoft about my changes. PeopleSoft stores images in image definitions, and we modify image definitions from Application Designer. We can update any PeopleSoft image definition through App Designer as long as we have a source file in our file system. Since SVG is just plain text, I can copy and paste the source from my web browser and place it in the text file in my local file system. Next, I need to open the source image definition in Application Designer. I like to use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-O. First, let's confirm the definition type is set to image, and then open the image we noted earlier. Once that opens, we can right-click on it to update the image. The default PeopleSoft image type is JPG. We need to change that to SVG so that we can see and select our new creation. Once selected, we just need to save App Designer and refresh our home page to view the updated image. Now, this is a customization because we are modifying an Oracle-delivered definition, which means a future Oracle update may overwrite or replace our customization. So be sure to make note and manage this just like any other customization to your system. If you like what you saw, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content, and we will see you next time.